How you doing?
Doing well. So, you have a wrist that's been bothering you.
Yeah, right in here.
Left down in here. Okay, let me see the good one first. We got to know how it's functioning properly before we check the one that's involved. Okay. Okay, and I understand you use a computer each day for several hours. Is that
Yeah.
right? Okay. You're not alone. There's a lot of people out there that do. We call them desk jockeys. Working 9 to 5 at the desk on the computer. So down through here in this area.
Coding freak.
Okay. Just let your hand relax if you can. There we go. That's more like it. Good to go.
Yeah, it feels a little better that way too, yeah. Okay, so the popping of my knuckles, is that something I can do too?
Well, you can. It's not the same because I'm isolating the carpal joints up here as I distract.
Okay.
The popping isn't what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for the distraction. The popping just happens to be a byproduct. And whether it pops or not, the adjustment's still occurring.
And is there anything wrong with popping?
No.
Okay. Good. Thanks.
Mm-hmm.